bread cake. Okay, let's try to do that. We're gonna use some whipping cream. Maybe that much.
Yeah.
What's this, Anu?
Chocolate.
It's cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder chocolate.
How much should we put?
This much.
That's it?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll like a little bit more.
Yeah.
We're just gonna eyeball it. Let's hope it turns good, right? Then we need some...
Maya.
Not Maya. We need sugar. All right, let's put some sugar. How sweet do you want it?
This much.
This much sweet. Okay. Maybe 3 spoons. We're gonna have to do it by hand.
I can do it with my hand.
Okay, I'll let you do it.
We need to pull up our sleeve.
What? Did we wash our hands?
No.
What? We need to wash our hands before we start cooking anything.
Then let's
Oh,
wash.
still a long way to go. My arms are really starting to hurt.
I could do it for you.
You can do it for me? Sure, why not? Give me just a second, okay? We're whipping it up.
Wait a minute.
I broke it.
I can do it.
I'm so tired. Whoa.
Here, guys. This is nice and mushy.
Wanna try some?
Uh-huh.
Take it. It's just brown.
It looks like brown chocolate.
Yeah. All right, I think this is ready.
It's ready.
It's ready. Ah!
Ah!
In this bag.
What?
Because we don't have a piping bag, Sanu, so we're gonna use this. Like that.
Then we're gonna wait. And then we're gonna wait.
Then we're going to put it in the fridge to cool down. And we're going to continue making the rest of the ingredients. Okay, let's clean it like this.
Look, for there's still more.
Yeah, there is. What? No, you should not lick. No, put it back. So,
Then we're gonna cut.
should we cut it?
Yeah, we should cut it.
So, let's dump that in here. And we need,
This is my shirt.
let's see, sugar. Oh my goodness, this girl is licking. And let's mix that all up. I'm gonna try to make a dough out of this. Try this on top, Sanu.
Okay, so I love you.
I think it's too more bread. More bread. We're gonna put this in a Ziploc bag.
Then we're gonna put it in the freezer.
Yes, not in the freezer, just in the fridge. Not in the freezer. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's make 4 of these. And I'm gonna put this in like that.
It looks like shaving cream.
It looks like what?
Shaving cream.
Shaving cream. Let me come up with this weird. Very weird. One for you, one for me, one for Dia, and 1 extra.
This is strawberry, you guys. We're cutting off all the leaves so we don't eat them. Small ones.
Is this good enough?
Yeah, this is good enough.
Okay. So what are we gonna do with the strawberries? Do you know?
Put them on the cake.
Ooh. I think it's gonna be yummy.
Yeah, I think. We need them.
There you go, strawberries. Okay, so first we're going to put the cake in. Oh yeah.
I thought you were going to put the noodles here.
Not the noodles. It's not for noodles. It's for lunch, baby girl.
This is dessert.
So cold, so hot.
Not so cold.
So there you go. We put that in. Now we're going to put strawberries.
My turn.
You can put some. Don't put a lot, okay? You need to put more. Let me see. That's enough. Can you put in the other one now? Wait, I have to make it into a piping bag. Cut the bottom off of that and then just pipe it in.
Pop it in.
Like that.
Yum.
Same thing here. Like that. The third one.
Here, same thing.
And the fourth one. Ooh, it's looking so good. Looking good. Looking good. It's looking good.
It's looking good.
It's looking really, really good.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Now we're going to put strawberries on top again. Help me, Sana.
Okay, so
Put a few strawberries on top.
oopsie.
You dipped your... You're always licking it, girl. Let me just do it.
Have this one.
Put it in. And that's it. There you go. They're ready. Now we're going to put it in the... Let's pop it in. Show it.
Show.
Show.
Let me show them.
Let's put them in the freezer, okay? I mean the fridge. Here's your tiny spoon and enjoy, Sanu.
Thank you.
Eat it, Baba. Eat it. Sanu. You like it?
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Great.
You want to? Cheers, Sanu.
We can't finish it.
We are going to finish it. Look at that. Ooh.
Ew.
Mmm. So sweet.
trying to get the strawberry out.
Which I like cake.
Oh, so yummy. We both got spoons.
Not bad.
So you thought it was bad.
I don't think it was bad. I didn't expect it to be this good.
You thought the movie was bad. But it was good, right, Fella? Isn't it yummy?
What is with the noise that you make? Oh, look at that big chunk of cake.
I made the noise again.
I like it.
I like it too.
You're not even eating it, girl. Come on, eat it.
See, I'm eating it out.
Alright, darling. Let me dig it.
I didn't need to dig it.
You have to dig it like that. Hi, Sano.
Hi.
Do you think your mommy's gonna be happy to see you covered in chocolate like that?
Yeah, she's gonna be so laughing if I have a mustache on